So what's up guys, welcome to another video, and for this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use WhatsApp on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is search for WhatsApp web. This is the official site, click on it. And now you're going to find a QR code right here. That's the code you're going to have to scan to log in your WhatsApp on your PC. So the next step is grab your phone, go into your WhatsApp and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your phone, of your mobile. Click on it and click on linked devices and click on link a device. So when you click on link a device, you can either choose two options. You can choose to link with your phone number, or you can choose to link with the QR code. So you can either link with your phone number or use this, but for this video I'm going to use this QR code to log in. So I'm going to have to scan this right now. That's what I'm doing right now to log in. And as you can see, just a few seconds now, they aim at WhatsApp on my PC. And that's it guys, I'm already logged in on WhatsApp on my PC, so that's what you have to do. So you can either choose to log in with your phone number, or you can choose to log in with the QR code. You're going to find both options on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and please share this video.